Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Blatthaus Bio. This will be your one-stop shop for understanding fascinating world of biopharmaceutical drug development as well as manufacturing. I'm Dr. Vikas Yelemane. I'm thrilled to be your guide in this journey.
Blatthaus Bio, unlocking the biopharma journey from genes to medicines.
My passion for biotechnology started when I did my Bachelor's of Engineering in Biotechnology. In this course, I really liked how science and engineering came together to provide these life-saving medicines. It's so helpful for the human beings. So this gave me a purpose, what I want to do with my life. And so for this reason, later I studied Masters of Technology in Industrial Biotechnology, where I focused my studies more into the large-scale techniques which are used in biopharmaceutical production. Later, I got a very good opportunity to work in National Chemical Laboratory in Pune, where they have a fantastic facility for biochemical engineering. This gave me an opportunity to handle, design downstream equipments, upstream equipments. It gave me overall crash course into the whole my engineering MTech together. It was a wonderful experience. Later, I worked for a private company in Pune where they have already commercial product. I did a lot of work with microbial products, both upstream and downstream. Later, I wanted to dig much deeper into academia. So that's how I decided to do my PhD. So when I started looking everywhere, I was very fortunate. I got a funding from Germany for a European Union project. That's how I came to Germany almost a decade ago to do my PhD. Here I finished my PhD in biochemical engineering.
Vikas Yelemane Sunanda Rachana, Doctor of Philosophy.
Completely focused on chromatography. So here I worked with a couple of techniques, including filtration. So basically our lab was equipped with, it's almost like a mini company where we could express completely the multiple hosts, animal CHO cells or fungus or microbials. Later we had all the equipments for downstream processing. I spent a lot of time and in experiencing in working on multiple platforms and collaborations. So here my work was mainly focused on expanded bed adsorption as well as anion and cation exchange chromatography. However, my whole goal of coming to academia is to learn more about chromatography and going back to industry. So that is where I see myself making more impact in my point of view. So then later I got an opportunity to work for another company in Germany who are one of the first company to come up with mRNA technology. I would even call they were the innovators of mRNA technology. So in this year, I was responsible for developing the downstream for one of the nucleic acid molecule. I spent almost 4 years. We could successfully develop a technology from more or less a plan on a tissue paper to almost, let's say, so ready to use in a large scale manufacturing. So later I realized, okay, I have become a domain expertise, understanding all this nitty-gritty about the technology. So being an engineer, I can do much better. I'm very passionate about producing the drugs and how can I do it. So now I realized I could understand the whole terminology, all the languages spoken by different stakeholders in biopharmaceutical life cycle management. So that's how I switched to biopharmaceutical CMC management, that is chemistry, manufacturing and control program management. So so this was a wonderful opportunity for me to learn about how a drug comes from idea to directly goes to the clinical trial, how many stakeholders involved, how much effort is done. So this is how I have a very good understanding of the whole life cycle of how the biopharmaceutical drugs are made. Looking back at my journey in biopharmaceutical industry from being research scientist to project manager, I have accumulated a lot of knowledge from biopharma basics to the most complicated biopharmaceutical drug development process. That's why I'm starting this channel, Blatthaus Bio, to share my knowledge and experiences with you. This channel is for anyone who is curious about biopharmaceutical, whether you're a student or early career professional, or simply just would like to learn how your medicines are made. You came to the right place. We walk this journey together. Going forward, we discuss about the basics of biopharmaceutical history of the blockbuster drugs and how did we come where we are today. And we understand how the drugs are produced, the stakeholders involved. And as I come from CMC project management, we will dive deep into these topics, the stakeholders and what they actually do, and also about life cycle management. Moreover, if you want to pursue career here, what kind of career you can have in this fascinating field of biopharmaceutical and many more. Stay tuned. So join me in this exciting exploration of biopharmaceuticals. We will uncover the science, stories, and the careers which makes this field a powerful force in the healthcare system. Together, we will learn how these groundbreaking drugs are developed and how they change medical treatment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And follow me in social media to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments and what biopharma topic you would like to see covered. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.